Drumroll, please, because it's time to spend $500 plus.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ, back another video on Talks with TJ, and the time has come. It's here. Which pair won the 2022 Sneaker Resale Pickup Vote? I'm a little shocked. I will go on record saying that, not because of the selection you guys voted for the most, but the landslide way in which it won. So back in 2021, my very first time doing this, the Fear of God won in oatmeal, won by a mile. Like, it wasn't even close, wasn't close at all. And I kind of somewhat, I guess, expected it then, but this year I thought, hey, it's going to be a little bit more balanced, which it was more balanced than 2021. But you guys were really speaking loud and clear on the pair, or at least I should just say selection, you wanted the most, you love the most. And again, this will not happen next year. I will focus more on putting that $65 a month that will go, actually it'll be $75 a month, that will go towards investing. So dollar cost averaging, you guys can check that out. I'm actually reading a book right now. It's called Just Keep Buying, and it's not in relation to consumerism, it's actually in relation to stocks, and dollar cost averaging is the basis behind that. You buy when the market is low, high, it doesn't matter. You just consistently put money in and you let compound interest do its thing. It circumvents the lows and the highs. You don't have to try to time the market, and I wouldn't advise doing that, but I'm just speaking for myself. This is just what I intend to do and focus on in 2023. So hopefully you'll still be along for that journey, even if it's not you voting on a pair that I'll spend resale for. I just appreciate you guys engaging. So let's stop wasting time. Let's actually run down the counts. All right, so I got the iPad here. I had to, you listen, I really sat down, okay, went through all the comments on the video to see what you guys had to say on the matter. So coming in fourth place, the Nike Sakai Vapor Waffle in Sail and Gum Bottom, that came in fourth, and it wasn't even close. So 12 votes, what I counted. So there were a total of 87 votes that I was able to pull from the video. 12 votes for the Nike Sakai Vapor Waffle and Sail and Gum Bottom. In third place, now third and second were so close. I mean, so close. One vote apart. Third place, the Nike Fear of God won in triple black with 20 votes. Third place. Again, I'm a little shocked when it comes to that one. Third place. So second, and I said this was close by one vote, the Nike SB Dunk Low pack, that at 21 votes. So just didn't quite make it. It edged out the other two. So if you need to be reminded, the SB pack was the Chicago, the part of the J pack, and then the Crush DC, which means taking the crown and the pairs that I'll buy here momentarily, literally on camera, the New Balance pack. So that's right, the 2002 R Refined Future in a pair that a colorway that I've just really wanted. So yeah, I will have Rain Cloud. And then finally 9060 Sea Salt, and I truly, firmly believe the 9060 is the best model of 2022 in all of sneakers. So you guys have it. Now, I will select one of you to receive a gift card. So I'll announce that once the pairs arrive, and it'll pretty much be like closer to you guys getting a Christmas gift, whoever that recipient is. And once I announce it on that video, just be sure I'll pretty much ask you, hey, I need you to provide me the best way to get in contact with you, and that'll help me validate that it's you, because it'll literally be you commenting on that video. All right, so I guess it's time for me to spend some money, because you guys have let me know which pairs I'll be getting. So yeah, as I said, I'm heading to GOAT. GOAT will be the place in which I purchase these. So let me just go ahead. Honestly, I can just search Rain Cloud and it will pop up. So the 2002R Refined Future Rain Cloud. It's not protection pack. We've already gone over that in the video. It's not called protection pack. The designer has no idea where that name came from. But I went true to size on the 2002R. I picked up a size 6 in the Mirage Gray and it fits perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead. I mean, you guys can, you know, I'm gonna go ahead. All right, so 6. This is so instant. 604. Who the heck? Well, what? I'm not gonna ask questions there. 227, and then of course it will go to GOAT, and then it'll come to me. So 227. When it's all said and done, 258.41. Go ahead and swipe, because as you know, that's how you do it on GOAT, to confirm that I am paying 258.41 and ensure that I snap a photo of this so that you guys can see it on screen. All right, we're about receipts over here. And often that's the only way that you can actually get people to be quiet. So just gotta cross that order number out. Yeah, I don't need to see that, but that is ordered. Really appreciate your patience here, you know, as I do this. Listen, it's all part of the experience, all right? So sea salt for the 9060. I went true to size on the 9060 as well, and it fits beautifully. It's also one of the most comfortable pairs that I have in my collection. And somebody even said like workwear looks lonely, and I have this. I also actually have Rain Cloud for the 9060, but I didn't have sea salt, and that was one that I really, really loved. So going true to size, which means I'll actually pay $237. 6.5 is a little bit cheaper, but let's go true to size, or at least that's what I would say for this. So we're gonna click on this price here, $237. So all said and done with shipping and taxes, I swear they should allow you to bundle this together, but it is what it is. So $269.11 and swipe. So on the 29th, when I'm actually filming this, but you guys will see it on the 30th because I said that's when I would announce it. I have purchased the pairs you all voted for. 2022 resale pickup. I really do appreciate you guys just choosing to be a part of it. Again, this was a series that focused on delayed gratification. Yes, there are pairs you want that you want to reach back for, but there are also so many other simultaneous things that you have going on in life, whether it's just life in general, it's bills, it's taking care of the first 4. I talk about that in my budgeting ebook, which you guys can always just email me and request a copy of because it's free. Always and forever. So I talk about the first 4. So whether it's just taking care of life, other pairs that drop and that come out, I've made plenty of retail purchases, but I still wanted a few pairs. And hey, I said, I want my subs to be involved in that. So you guys got to see that you can enjoy things that are coming out right now, plan to pick up something that is above a retail price, and you don't have to make life too complicated. So hope that message came across as it was intended to. And once those pairs touch down, I'll go ahead and announce one of you. So one of you that voted for the New Balance pack, which is a total of 34 of you, are in contention to have me select your name, $75 gift card. And I'll probably let you choose whether it's like Nike or Adidas or Foot Locker. We'll work that out between you and I. But again, I really appreciate you guys tuning in, participating, and as always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.